Traditionally, the bells will toll in St. Peter's Square to mark a pope's death. How many times does this ring, and what must the attendees be feeling right now, Father Jonathan, especially many who were there yesterday to celebrate the resurrection and perhaps now are returning the day after to mourn the loss of Pope Francis?
Yeah, I'm thinking it's 12:19 p.m. in Rome, high noon. People have started to gather because they just want to go and be someplace that's of importance, right? People are going to rush to the square as well when the new pope is elected, probably 2 weeks or so from now. But they're there now gathering in prayer. There's nothing to see. Yes, there's the tolling of the bells. Nothing to see, but just people from around the world saying, I want to be at the center of it.